If you're facing a verification pending status on LinkedIn, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from LinkedIn. Sometimes, the email may end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there as well. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received the email, go to your LinkedIn account settings and look for the option to resend the verification email. Click on it to initiate the process again. Step 3. Verify your identity. If prompted, follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve confirming your phone number or answering security questions to prove that you are the account owner. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact LinkedIn support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to LinkedIn support. Provide them with details about your verification issue and they should be able to assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on LinkedIn. Good luck!